In this lesson, we will start exercise 3.7 and we are going to solve question number 1. The question is, find the area between the x-axis and the curve y is equal to x square plus 1 from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. First of all, we have to clear the question. What is the requirement? So the requirement is we have to find out the area. See, find the area, and area is represented by letter A. Area between the x-axis and the curve. See, when we see this, we say, okay, this is the equation, y is equal to x square plus 1. When we will draw, there will be some kind of curve. So I will show you how to solve this equation to find out the curve. And the range is from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. This means this is the limit. This is the limit of our integration. And keep in mind, always you have to take the lower limit here and upper limit here. So 1 to 2. So 2 will come here and 1 is here. Right? How we will start our question? We have to find out the area. A is equal to integration A to B. A and B represents any limit, whatever is given in the question. So here is x is equal to 1. So I will write down x is equal to A or x is equal to B. And for the integration part, we have to write down y into dx. So see here, now I am going to write x is equal to 1 because this is the limit from 1 to 2 and x is equal to 2. You can write down directly 1 to 2, but in some books you can see that sometimes they use x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. That is why I am writing x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Instead of this y, we can write down x square plus 1 into dx. So we have to integrate this curve y is equal to x square plus 1. So see, these are now two terms. This is the x square plus 1. So we will integrate it separately. X is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2 x square into dx plus same thing. Then is the second term 1 dx, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So how we will integrate? It is very simple, right? Here we are going to use the power rule, and the power rule is whatever is the exponent or power of this x, we have to add. Same thing, we have to divide it by the new power. And now x is equal to 1. Here we can write down the limit plus 1 ds. The integral of 1 is x and x is equal to 2 to here 1. So we can write down x cube divided by 3 and limit is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 plus x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Now we are going to put this limit. This is the upper limit. Instead of this x, we will write down 2 minus again we will write down 1. Same thing we will do here. This is constant 1 over 3. So we will take 1 over 3 like this outside the parenthesis. And then see what is the first is x cube. So upper limit is 2 cube minus 1 cube. And then here is 2 minus 1. I can make like this. Here see, this is x, 2 minus 1. So now we will solve it. 1 over 3. It is 8 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So which is equal to 1 over 3 into 7 plus 1. And then here we are just simplifying it. So we have to take the LCM. There is no denominator. It means 1. LCM will be 3. So it is 7 plus 3 which is equal to 10 over 3. And this is the answer. This is our answer. See, there is no unit. But if it is in centimeter or millimeter or meter, whatever. So it will be 10 over 3. Whatever is the unit is square. So this is the requirement of this question. Only you have to integrate this part. But the other part is optional. I am going to show you how you can make the curve. See, it looks like this is the equation, but with the help of this, I will show you how to make the curve. This is y is equal to x square plus y. If I will say that suppose x is equal to -3, you can start from -4, -2, whatever, but I am going to start with -3. In this equation, I say x is equal to -3. So what this equation will be? It is x square means -3 square plus 1, which is equal to 9 plus 1, and it is equal to 10. So the first our coordinate is -3 to 10. Keep in mind, always you have to write down x coordinate first and then y coordinate. Now here if I will say, okay, -2, x is equal to -2. So put here -2 plus 1, it is 5. So our second coordinate is -2 and 5. Now we will take -1, x is equal to -1. So -1, put this -1 in this equation, it will be 2. So our is -1 and 2. Now put x is equal to 0. So make the square of this 0, which remains 0, 1. So our coordinate is 0, 1. Now with +1, so put +1 in this equation, it is 2. So it is 1 and 2. +2, so we will get 2 and 5. Okay, I can write down one more. So it is +3 plus 1. So we will get 1 coordinate. So this is our coordinates. So see here it is 1, 2, here -1, 2, here is 2, 5, here is -2, 5, right? Okay. So always keep in mind that you have to write down x coordinate first. These are the coordinates. With the help of this, we will make the graph. So first is -3 and 10. So see, when x is -3, it is 10. So 10 will be here, right? So you have to draw like this. This is our point, this one. Second is -2 to 5. -2 here, when x is -2, y is 5. So we will get a point here. This is the point. Right. Third is -1 and 2. When x is -1, y is -2. We will get this point here. Right. And you have to complete all this one by one, 0, 1, then 1, 2, and so on, what I did here already. When we will join this, so you will see this is the curve. So with the help of this equation, y is equal to x square plus 1. Question says find the area between the x-axis and the curve. So see, this is the curve. And these are 2 points which we have to use for integration limits 1 to 2. So this one, and see, when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, he is here. We will make this line here. When x is equal to 2, this one. So actually we have to find out this area. We integrate this area, and this is the requirement. This is the area between the x-axis and the curve. So see, this is the curve, this is x-axis. So this area you have to find out. This is the question. I hope this is clear. This is optional part of the question, but here I have solved for you in order to show you that how come this equation is called the curve. So this is the curve. But you have to solve your question. This is till here 10 over 3 unit square. Practice this question. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.